Hi, my dear students. I am once again welcoming you to the QABD classes. In this QABD class, we are discussing about the problem 8. In this QABD class, we are discussing about the problem 8. See, in this problem, they given the information regarding at the end of selection test of the candidates, the following results are obtained. So they made the selection test, and ST and PT means selection test and physical test. So this is the scores of the students. Calculate the coefficient of correlation and comment on his values. So they given the values in these values. So first of all, they given the values of selection test, and secondly they given the values of physical test. Serial numbers we are not considering as a X series or Y series. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೀರೀಸು ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ST ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ PT. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವನು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, serial number they given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That is the values. How many values are there? 10 values is there. So in these 10 values, first we have to be take it into the consideration. First we are take it into the consideration. Scores in ST, this is the X series. Scores in ST is the X series. And after that, scores in PT. After that, scores in PT. So scores in PT is the Y series. So scores in ST is the X series. And scores in PT is the Y series. It is X series and it is Y series. Scores in ST is the X series and scores in PT is the Y series. See, in this scores in X, they given the 10 values called as 44, 49, 52, again 52, 47, 76, 75, 60, 63, 52. This is the values they are given as it X series. When we are coming into the Y series, when we are coming into the Y series, the values is 48, 55, 45 and 55 and 45, 60, 43, 80, 58, 50, 77, 44. So both are having the 10 values. After that, next we are moving to the solution here. See, in this solution, first you should write down the heading computation or calculation of the Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Write down the heading. Write down the heading computation of Carl Pearson's correlation of coefficient. In that, so first of all, we should total the X series and Y series. We should total the X series and Y series. How much the total of the X series? The total of the X series is 570. And what is the total of the Y series? 560. So these are the X series values and Y series values. When we are calculating the mean, X bar equals sigma X divided by N. So what is the sigma X is 570. What is the number of values is 10. So X bar equals 57. And sigma Y. So what is the sigma Y here? 560 divided by number of values is 10. So how much we get? Y bar equals 56. So this is the mean value of the X series and Y series. you should calculate. So either we are getting the fractions or we are getting the round values here. X bar we getting the round value and y bar we getting the round value. Therefore, we are applying here. What is the formula here? We applying the formula is correlation coefficient equals sigma dx dy divided by root sigma dx square into sigma dy square. This is the formula we have regarding the calculation of Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. It is applied when we get the round figure in the mean values. After that, the next here dx dy and dx square dy square and dx dy. See in the dx, what is the mean value of the x bar? The mean value of the x bar is 57. The mean value of the x bar is 57. When we are calculating the dx is, when we are calculating the dx is 44 minus 57 minus 13, 49 minus 57 minus 8, 42 minus 57 minus 5, 52 minus 57 minus 5, 47 minus 57, 10, 76 minus 57, 19, and 75 minus 57, 18, 60 minus 57, 3, 63 minus 57, 6, and 52 minus 57 minus 5. This symbols is very, very essential. If it comes the negative, it means the minus symbols. So we have to be put a minus symbols. Why? Because symbol only changing the results of the problem. So if you made any one single mistake regarding the symbol, the entire problem is wrong. So therefore, symbols is signs is very, very important. After that, you should move up the dy column. What is the y bar's mean value? The y bar's mean value is 56. The y bar's mean value is 56. So when it comes under the 56, the 56, so here y series, take down the y series, 48 minus 56, how much we get? Minus 8. Why? Because the highest value symbol is minus. And 55 minus 56 minus 1, 45 minus 56 minus 11, and 60 minus 56 4, 43 minus 56 13 minus 13, 80 minus 56 24, 58 minus 56 2, 50 minus 56 minus 60, sorry, minus 6, and 77 minus 56, it is 21, and 44 minus 56, it is minus 12. So these are all what we called as dy values. After that, dx square, it is a multiplication of the dx values. It is a multiplication of the dx values. Here, what are the multiplications? 13 into 13, 169, 8 8 is 64, 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25, 10 10 is 100, 19 into 19, 361, 18 into 18, 324, and 3 into 3, 9, 6 6 is 36. After that, and 5 5 is 25. These are all what we called as the dx square values. These are all what we called as dx square values. After that, the dy square values. Here the dy square values is, so you should take the dy column here. In the dy column, so the 8 minus 8 minus into minus plus we are getting it is a 64. 1 1 is a 1, 11 into 11, 121, for 4 is a 16, 13 13 is a 169, 24 into 24, 576, to 2 is a 4, 6 6 is a 36, 21 into 21, 441, and 12 12 is a 144. These are the what we called as dy square values. So after that, dx dy. See in the dx dy columns. So here 13 into 8, 104, 8 into 1, 8, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, 5 into 11, 55, 5 into 4, 20, and 10 into 13, 130, 19 into 24, 456, and 18 into 2, 18 into 2, 36, plus 3 into minus 6, minus 18. So, and 6 into 21, 126, 5 into 12, 16. So, the total value of the sigma dx dy is 937. When we are applying these values to the formula, here sigma dx dy is 937 and sigma dx square is 1138 and sigma dy square is 1572. Here 937 divided by root 1138 into 1572. Here 937 divided by root, how much we get when we are multiplying with the 1138 into 1572. So we getting there. So 1788936 means 17,88,936. When we are removing the root, how much we get? 1337.51112144. When we are dividing this with the 937, we getting the negative value. Sorry, we getting the 0.700, we getting the 0.70055. This is the moderate degree positive correlation. This is the moderate degree positive correlation is the answer. So this is regarding the eighth problem. See, in the eighth problem, it is one logic is given or differentiation is given, serial numbers. We can't take the serial numbers. We should take the score in ST and score in PT. After that, the next is the ninth problem. Do it the ninth problem. It is very easy problem. As same it is the previous problem, but 10th problem. So in the 10th problem, we are converting the values. Why? Because it is the highest values. We have the 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. These are all the highest values. We are converting it into the lowest values. And in the next class, we are discussing about the 10th problem. But you should do this homework problem is the ninth problem is the homework problem. You should do it and send it me.